Trick or Treat, written by Bill Martin Jr. and Michael Sampson, illustrated by Paul Maisel. Friends, as I read the story, don't forget to notice the effort of playing with the words of the author. As he flipped the first letters of the word, the meaning of the words has completely changed and it added an extra essence to the story. So let's begin. Mommy, I am ready to go. My, don't you look scary? My mommy says. You can go trick-or-treating, but only in our apartment building. I will go with you. And remember, you only knock on doors of people we know and try not to scare them. Up to the second floor. Knock on Knickerknocker's door. Trick or treat! Treat! Says Knickerknocker as he fills my bag with candy bars. Up to the third floor. Knock on Slipper Slopper's door. Trick or treat! Treat! Says Slipper Slopper as she fills my bag with peanut cups. Up to the fourth floor, knock on Wiggle Waggle's door. Trick or treat? Treat, says Wiggle Woggle as he fills my bag with tangerine drops. Up to the fifth floor, knock on Limber Lamber's door. Trick or treat? Treat, says Limber Lamber as she fills my bag with licorice twists. Up to the sixth floor, knock on Fiddle Faddle's door. Trick or treat? Treat, says Fiddle Faddle as he fills my bag with peanut butter. Up to the seventh floor, knock on Pumper Pickle's door. Trick or treat? Treat, says Pumper Pickle as she fills my bag with caramel pops. Up to the eighth floor, knock on Thimble Thumble's door. Trick or treat? Treat, says Thimble Thimble as he fills my bag with chocolate sticks. Up to the ninth floor, knock on Teeter Totter's door. Trick or treat? Treat, says Teeter Totter as he fills my bag with jelly beans. Up to the 10th floor, knock on Magic Merlin's door. Trick or treat? There is no answer. Trick or treat? Still no answer. Trick or treat? The door flies open and Merlin waves his magic wand at me. Now everything wackbards! Merlin laughs as he slams his door on me. Down to the 9th floor, knock on Totter Teeter's door. Trick or treat? Trick, says Totter Teeter as he fills my bag with belly jeans. Down to the 8th floor, knock on Thimble Thimble's door. Trick or treat? Trick, says Thimble Thimble as he fills my bag with Stocolate Chicks. Down to the 7th floor, knock on Pickle Pumper's door. Trick or treat? Trick, says Pickle Pumper as she fills my bag with caramel cups. Down to the 6th floor, knock on Faddle Fiddle's door. Trick or treat? Trick, says Faddle Fiddle as he fills my bag with peanut butter. Down to the 5th floor, knock on Limber's door. Trick or treat? Trick, says Limber as she fills my bag with turquoise lists. Down to the 4th floor, knock on Woggle Wiggle's door. Trick or treat? Trick, says woggle wiggle as he fills my bag with drangarine tops. Down to the third floor, knock on Slopper Slipper's door. Trick or treat! Trick! Says Slopper Slipper as she fills my bag with ceanut pups. Down to the second floor, knock on Knocker Knicker's door. Trick or treat? Trick! Says Knocker Knicker as he fills my bag with bandy cars. Down to the first floor, knock on my apartment door. Trick or treat? Treat, says my daddy as he hugs me in his arms. But daddy, look at my backwards candy, I cry. Looks yummy to me, he laughs. A mountain of candy bars, peanut cups, tangerine drops, licorice twists, peanut butter, caramel pops, chocolate sticks, and jelly beans. The power of my daddy's hug had broken the backward spell. We laughed and laughed. We ate, and we never saw Merlin again. The end. So friends, do you like the backward words? Let me know on our Facebook page. Also, if you like our work, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your subscription helps us to grow. See you in the next video. Take care.